Latest trends in application security 2022. Web apps and API are the main channels via which a business communicates with its clients. Application security is a major problem for all businesses. Any problems with them could ruin the consumer experience and the reputation of the business. Due to that internet accessibility, both customers and fraudsters can access these vital resources. As a result, a key part of a company's security strategy should include safeguarding these resources against emerging cyber threats. The primary trends in application security vary frequently since corporate applications and IT infrastructure are continually changing, especially in recent years. Here are a few of the leading trends in application security for 2022. 1. A switch to security solutions that are cloud-ready. 2. Increasing security consolidation for better incident detection and response. 3. The new internet-facing service is API. 4. The rise of bot as a service providers. 5. Utilizing automated security features powered by AI. For more information related to application security, please visit www.iskcybersecurity.com.